Before you is an ultraviolet lamp of our production of 60 watts, designed to replace the lamp from those germicidal in its installation. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Labeling options are listed on her page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. Lamp power is 60 W. Operating current is 0.8 A. Its radiating power is 22 watts. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 601 mm. Arc length 540 mm, tube diameter 10 mm, base diameter 90 mm. The service life is 11,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, seals and connect. All of our lamps have a special G-LivePower Plus compound on the inside surface, developed by UVL engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.